if you guys want to learn how to download Winrar, make sure you watch the entire video. Yo, welcome back to the channel guys. If you're new, please feel free to subscribe, really helps the channel out. If you happen to enjoy this video, give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, and you'll be notified when I post a brand new video. To download Winrar, make sure you go ahead and click the first link in the description and just click download Winrar, this blue one, not the green one, blue. Now it's going to take you to this page. All you want to do is scroll down and click the same one again, download Winrar, the blue one. Once Winrar is downloaded, if you're in Chrome, it will be down here at the bottom. All you have to do is open it, go ahead and click yes. You can now close out Chrome, click install, click OK, click done, and now Winrar has officially been installed. If you just want to see what Winrar looks like, just open up Winrar here. When this comes up, just click the X. It doesn't matter, it just wants you to try and buy the full version, but you don't need to do that. You get everything in the free version. And with that, you've now installed Winrar. If you guys have enjoyed this video, please leave us a like. If you guys are new, make sure you subscribe, it really helps the channel a lot. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!